Okay, check this out. Stuffed Puffs Big Bites, and these are filled marshmallows. So these are super awesome and delicious as well. But check out the actual size right there. These are basically marshmallows, birthday cake marshmallows, rainbow sprinkled coated marshmallows made with cake flavored filling and sprinkles on the inside. So this is the 7.3 ounce bag. Let's get right into it and show you what they look like. Okay, so that's what they look like. Marshmallow covered in sprinkles. Get a whole bunch of them, but there's only a few left because they're so delicious. All right, let's cut it open and see what's inside and see what you're going to be eating. But deliciousness on the inside, so that's what I like about these. They're really, really good. And do you want to do a taste test? You bite one. Bite one. Is it good? Oh, the whole thing. So obviously kid approved right here. But cake filled on the inside, sprinkles on the outside. Super good, super delicious. Great for snacks and parties and anything. There's s'mores and other stuff you can make as well. But anyway, highly recommend. Definitely need to check it out.